This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's go to the cathedral and more precisely the bookseller's portal. Come on, let's take Saint-Romain Street, leaving behind us the Albane courtyard, or in other words, this pretty little garden mixing vegetation and old stones, to go to the bookseller's portal. We have just passed the famous Dame Cake's tea room and on our right, we are in front of the bookseller's portal. Let's go inside. So what about this portal? First, the creation of this portal was decided at the end of the 13th century. Its construction will last more than 50 years. The library of the Canons, that is to say the priests of the cathedral, was designated in the Middle Ages under the name of library. Bookstore located a few meters to the right of the courtyard. The facade is therefore called the portal of the booksellers. It is also here that the booksellers settled at the end of the Middle Ages to sell books. The portal of the booksellers was built to allow the canons to be able to enter the cathedral directly from their house, which was located for some of them on the side of the Saint-Nicolas street. This portal, sheltered from prying eyes, allowed them to avoid entering through the central portal, a guarantee both of security when the streets were poorly frequented and of comfort when winter was creeping into the city. This portal was created thanks to a canon who became Archbishop Guillaume de Flavicourt in 1280.